Nowadays, there are over 1,500 globally recognized certification bodies in the world and more than 10 million certificates to international standards. Certification activities in Vietnam marked the beginning of 1995. Founders of EFC have been working in this field since the 2000s. In 2005, EFC was initially established in Vietnam, with active training and consulting to international standards. Then, EFC converts registration for operational certification and monitoring international standards. Our mission is, we support our clients by managing quality, environmental, safety, health, and sustainability risks to the benefit of society as a whole. So far EFC has achieved auditors with more than 20 years of experience in this field, more than 50,000 trainees, and more than 1,000 clients. Common standards in the field of EFC training and certification include ISO 9001, Quality Management Systems, ISO 22000, HACCP, Food Safety Management System, ISO 14001, Environmental Management Systems, VietGAP, Vietnamese Good Agricultural Practices, Global GAP Standard, Good Agricultural Practice, for agricultural produce, Global GAP Standard, Good Agricultural Practice, for livestock. ISO 27001, Information Security Management Systems, ISO 45001, Occupational Health and Safety Management Systems, ISO 13485, Medical Device Management Systems, ISO 15378, Primary Packaging Materials for Medicinal Products Management Systems. EFC trains and collaborates with partners for auditing and certification of social responsibility standards such as SC 8000, BSCI, SEDEX. Sustainable environmental standards such as BLUSINE, HIG, GRS. FSC, Forest Stewardship Council, PEFC, Program for the Endorsement of Forest Certification. The application and certification of international standards will help businesses improve management capacity in order to increase competitive advantage and meet the requirements of non-technical barriers of the importing countries to make it possible for goods to circulate around the world. EFC certificates are recognized and conceded by the IFSO will be valid globally. With a team of experienced staffs and auditors, knowledgeable and dedicated in the field of business activities, EFC will bring you the best service with the motto: add value, add trust. For more information, please visit the website efc.vn.